Welcome to ClearTask. Today, I'll show you the quickest way to add a diagonal line or slash to a table cell in Microsoft Word and how to perfectly format the text inside it. First, click inside the cell where you want the line to appear. Look up at the ribbon at the top of your screen and select the Table Design tab. From there, find the Borders button. Click the drop-down arrow next to it. You will see options for a diagonal down border or a diagonal up border. Select diagonal down border to insert your line. Now for the text. If you want to label both the row and the column, type both words into the cell. For example, type name and area with a space between them. To position them correctly, highlight your first word. Go to the Home tab and click the Subscript icon. This drops the word to the bottom left of the cell. Next, highlight your second word and click the Superscript icon. This pushes it to the top right. To finish the look, place your cursor between the two words and press the spacebar repeatedly. This will push the top word to the right until both words are neatly aligned on opposite sides of the diagonal line. You can adjust the font size at any point to make it fit perfectly. That's all there is to it. If this quick guide was helpful, be sure to subscribe to ClearTask for more efficient solutions. Thanks for watching.